I did a video about TRB just yesterday and a video about ArcBlock 4 days ago. As it turns out, both of my analyses turned out to be exactly right. And as I received multiple requests to update you about the next possible price targets, I knew I had to make another video for you. So here we go. Let's go. Welcome back to another episode of Philprints, your one and only stop for crypto finance and trading. Let's start with ArcBlock, shall we? So this is the current state of the price chart. And if you recall, in my video 4 days ago, I told you if we close below this white line here, we will see a dip further down and might retest it from below as resistance. Now, 4 days later, we closed below the white line, went down further and retested it from below as resistance. Now where to go from here? First things first, we can see there is a big wick on this candle here. And this shows that bears stepped in pretty hard on this white line and therefore price got pushed down pretty fast. If bears stay in control, we will likely see further downside to this golden line here. Also, if we pull up the volume profile, you can see most of the volume is down here. And here is basically nothing. So the first volume steps in basically just below this golden line here. Meaning if we close below here, we should dump pretty fast. If in fact we manage to hold this level, because don't forget this is also a previous high, so this is significant. So if we consolidate here, we might build a base here from which we can travel up further. But for that, we have to, again, decisively close above and the best case retest this white line. What's also possible is that if we pull up the Fibonacci tool from top to bottom here, you can see that we didn't reach the 1.618 yet. Also, this is just here at my Philprints reversal top band. So another possible scenario would be that we pump up from here to the 1.618, grab the liquidity above this high, and then see another rejection here, before we ultimately go to the 2.618, which from current prices would mean around a 2x. So once again, in short, bears are in control for now. So the downside scenario is more likely. But as soon as we close above the white line again, then the bullish scenario is more likely to take over. If you ask yourself, how did I know that this white line will be important at this point? Well, magic. And experience. And my Philprints reversal bands, an indicator that I developed myself. Now let's continue with Tellor TRB. But before that, please make sure to enter my Telegram group, which comes with one of my trading indicators and a 1-hour trading course that explains it and helps you to build your own strategy for free. I want my community to thrive. Secure your spot while it's still free. This may change for new members in the future. Link is down below. All right, now what you're seeing here is my TRB video from yesterday. And in that video, I said, if we hold this white line, we will pump up further. And that is exactly what's happened. If you joined me on this trade, you would have made more than 60% within 1 day. So where to go from here? So I would say if we manage to reclaim this white line here, then we could see further upside. But at this very moment, we are retesting it from below. So the likelihood for a retracement down here is more likely. In this scenario, these moving averages here would also beautifully come in as support and build up confluence here. And not only that, at this point, we have the 0.382, which together with the 0.236 is in a strong uptrend, a perfect level for a bounce before further upside. If we measure the smaller move within this bigger move, then you can see that this is actually the 0.618, which gives us even more confluence. If we zoom out a little, and in case we see this little retracement here, before we resume the bigger uptrend, then we could look at this 0.618 here as a midterm price target, meaning $223. Also, if we add the volume profile, you can see that we are exactly at the point of control here. And this is nothing that you can break that easily, which further adds to my thesis that we need a retracement first. But if bulls are extremely aggressive, then we could see that this level holds immediately as support, because at the moment we're still above it, and travel up directly from here. In my opinion, it's not the most likely scenario, but it's still a possible scenario. If you're not subscribed to this channel yet, please ask yourself why and do it now. You really don't want to miss any of the next videos. Of course, this is not financial advice. Please always do your own research. This was Phil Prince for you. Until next time, crush the markets. Goodbye.